From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
For question 43 and 44, we are told to use the information below to answer the questions. In the diagram, line X arrow is parallel to line UW. Angle WVT is X. Angle VUT is Y. Angle ROST is 45 degrees. And angle VTU is 20 degrees. Find the value of X. Plane shapes like this are easy, extremely easy. Once you know the theorems backing them up, we have to look for X and Y. How do we get this X? It's simply corresponding angles, because corresponding angles, they are equal. Why are they corresponding? Because these two lines are parallel. When you have two lines that are parallel, the angle here and the angle beneath here are equal. Likewise, the angle here, and if you extend this above, and the angle here are equal. We call them corresponding angles. And so X is simply 45 degrees. Reason: corresponding angles are equal. To find the value of Y, which is this, we have this exterior angle of this triangle. We know that this angle is the sum of this angle and this angle. That's the relationship we use to get it. So S is equal to Y plus 20 degrees. The reason is exterior angle of a triangle equals sum of the two opposite interior angles. And so we have gotten X to be 45, so that our Y will be subtract 20 from both sides, which is 25 degrees. And that's B. The first one is C.